Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel Div's Home Studio. In today's video, I'm going to share my purple makeup haul. After the lockdown, I didn't actually purchase much of the makeup products because it was of no use. But I was completely tempted with a lot of new products from purple.com, and since they're kind of very affordable and the quality wise also I'm not very compromisable, they are absolutely super. Let's check out what those exactly are. So without any further delay, let's get started. My first product is this Stay Quickie First Base Primer Oil. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's a transparent. I have mentioned it earlier in many of my videos that I don't really like silicone based primer, so I want something cream based or I like something oil based. So I thought I have to give this a try. It absorbs into the skin very nicely, and but you have to give some time. After your moisturizer, you have to apply this primer and leave at least for 5 minutes to for this primer oil to settle in your skin well, and then use the base products. So that's about this product. So you can give this a try. I have given a thumbs up for this. Okay, moving on to my next product is the Stay Quickie Bite and Hide Liquid Concealer. The package was completely very attractive. They have a very little amount of product, and so I thought, why not? I give it a try. I think 235 or something, and in offer I got it for 175 or something. So I thought, why not, I give this a try. This was the last shade in that range, and for my surprise, this turned out to be this very light, and this is how the packaging, this is how the outer packaging looks like, this is how the inner packaging looks like. This is simply very cute. I love the packaging. And coming to the shade and the consistency part, it is absolutely very packed. So as the consistency is concerned, it is fine, it is blendable as you can see, but the undertone of this product is somewhere in the pink color, pink undertone, and it would surely not work on any of the medium or the brown or the dark skin. Okay, let's move on to my next product. This is the NY Bay Hiding in the City Hall Foundation Concealer Contour or the corrector stick. So you can use this as any of this you wanted. This is again the last shade in that range, and this is the Hazelnut Secret Treasures number 26. This is the last shade. Again, it is infused with castor oil. They have around not sure about, like 4.8 grams of product, and it retails for around 135. So it's way too cheaper. And the product actually is simply superb. I didn't really expect this very good product from NY Base concealer or corrector stick. You can use this either way, but the point is I got the last shade from this range, so it can be used only as the contour for me. So this is an, see, this is a very good amount of product. I feel it is simply superb. The packaging is just like a lipstick packaging, and yes, I hope this is very handy for the contours, because most of the time when I pick up cream contours, it either comes in the package like a palette, and I need a brush and all that. So that's a kind of disadvantage for me when I prefer contour on the go or on the run, so when I travel again. So this is very simply superb, and it is very affordable. The quality and the quantity is quite sufficient, and I feel this is must try product in NY Bay. You can use it as a concealer, you can use it as a contour or whatever, highlighting, anything you want. So I'll just swatch this and show you guys, because this is a bit darker, so I'm going to use this as the contour for my skin. So that's it about this product. You can give this a try. I'm giving a complete thumbs up for this. product of the Stay Quickie new launch. This is the Cheeky Girls blush. They have, I think, 4 to 5 shades, and I am not a blush person though, but I don't really have a good blush with me. I thought, why not I give this a try. So I wanted something with orangish undertone, because this fuchsia and pinky kind of things doesn't really go with my skin tone, so I want something little bit on the orange undertone. So I thought I'll give this Peachy Lady number 3. This is how the packaging looks like, and I'll just show you guys how it looks from inside. It's a normal plastic packaging, and they do have around 5.5 grams of product, and it retails for around 270. I think I got it for 200 something in the offer. And this is how the packaging looks like. And yes, let me show you. Yeah, the problem with this is it has a slight shimmer in it. I didn't really like. I just wanted a very nice matte finish product, but this was a kind of disappointment for me. But otherwise the shade is absolutely very good, and they have a highly pigmented product. As you can see, if you go, you have to pick a very little product, or you'll end up having too much of product. Most awaited product again. I have, I think, 1 or 2 highlighters with me, the Wet n Wild Precious palette petals, and again from the Wet n Wild I have another palette. So these are the only 2 highlighters I have. Otherwise I just pick up a nice highlighting shade from the eyeshadow palette and just do it, because it obviously needs a very little amount, so I didn't want to invest on it. But this one was again very handy and looked absolutely stunning. They had quite a number of shades, but again I was very skeptical when buying. I thought I would go for some bronzy goldenish kind of undertoned highlighter. Why? Because the silver kind of, or a pinkish undertone, will not really look good that on the dusky skin or the dark skin. So you need something very bronzy or golden kind of highlighting for your skin tone. So finally, yes, I chose the right shade, and this is a gold, baby gold high-end lit highlighter stick. This is how the packaging looks like. This is okay. I'm quite happy with the packaging. This is a very nice sturdy packaging. This is not very light or delicate. So let's check out. So this is how the product looks like, and it's quite amount. I'm really happy about the amount of product it has. So it's very travel friendly. The packaging is again sturdy. It comes with a brush on the other side. So I felt, yes, investing in such a good product was a must go for me. Then again, the product has around 8.5 grams of product, and it retails for 449. So I again got an offer around like 350 or 360 bucks. Move on to the lip products I have today, and I picked up 3 lipsticks. All the 3 are the liquid matte lipsticks. 2 are from the Stay Quickie and 1 from the Purple Mini. So this is the first time I picked up something from Purple. I don't really have any of the other products. I think I have only their one of the primers, silicone based primers, but I don't have any other products. But I was really stunned with the packaging, and the color is absolutely superb. I love the color. And the Stay Quickie, again, they have 2 shades. I got 2 shades. This is their Stay Quickie liquid lipstick minis, and this is how the packaging looks. It has some animal print kind of packaging. It's super stunning. But the disappointment about this product is, yes, again, it has a very less amount of product. It looks so patchy. After it dries off, it really looks really bad. I tried it out and I didn't really like it. I'll say this is kind of very adorable. I loved it. It's super good. See, and yeah, and yes, so they have a very nice packaging, and the color is super good. It will surely go on the dark skin tone, guys. Surely it is a very good and buy. The shade number is My First Pep Talk number 15, and I'll just show you how much it retails for. Yeah, it's 199. Again, I got this on offer 140, 150. I don't really remember. It's really too good. I love the consistency and texture, how it I feel on the lips. It's very light, it's not very drying or patchy, and it, of course, it is non-transferable. It lasts for a very long time. Premium nail enamel in the shade lilac 49. I love the color very much, so I just got this nail paint. So this is toxic free nail enamel, and I don't know how much it did cost. Yeah, 99 bucks. Okay, and I got a gift product from Stay Quickie for buying this product. So that is the Too Glam to Give a Damn Badass eyeliner in the shade bronze copper. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's a very nice glittery kind of, eyeliner. I haven't tried this out yet, but surely would give this try. And yes, that's it about the products. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope if you are going to buy any of this product, this review must have been useful to you. Until next time, it's Zivya signing up. Tara, bye bye.